Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night and your hand is completely numb? Or maybe you go to stand up from a chair and your legs just don't feel right, wobbly, weak, like they're not fully yours anymore. If that's happening to you, please don't ignore it, because I ignored it for months. And I wish someone had told me what I'm about to tell you. Your body might be sending you a warning, a quiet one, but a serious one. And the scary part? Most doctors won't even connect these symptoms to the real cause. They'll run tests, maybe shrug, maybe hand you a prescription. But what if the answer was sitting in your kitchen this whole time? Today I'm going to show you 8 simple snacks that can actually help your body repair itself from the inside. Snacks that target the exact thing causing that tingling, that weakness, that stiffness. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand what's really going on in your body. Here's what nobody tells you. After the age of 60, your body starts losing something called collagen, and it loses it fast. About 1 to 2% every single year. Now, most people hear collagen and think, oh, that's a skin thing. That's for wrinkles. That's for beauty products. No, 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 no. Collagen is the glue that holds your entire body together. Your joints, your cartilage, your nerves, the lining of your blood vessels, even the protective coating around your spinal cord. When collagen breaks down faster than your body can replace it, that's when the trouble starts. The tingling in your fingers? That can be your nerves losing their protective covering. The shaky, unreliable legs? That can be your connective tissue weakening around the joints. The stiffness every single morning? Collagen. And here's the part that really got me. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need injections. You just need to start eating the right things, consistently, every day. So let me walk you through 8 snacks that are easy to make, taste genuinely good, and give your body the exact building blocks it needs to start healing. Let's start with one that's going to make you smile. Dark chocolate. I know, sounds too good to be right, but stay with me. Real dark chocolate, I'm talking 70% cacao or higher, is packed with something called flavonols. These are powerful plant compounds that actually help your body produce new collagen and fight inflammation at the same time. A researcher named Dr. William Lee, who has spent decades studying how food heals the body, puts dark chocolate on his short list of top collagen-supporting foods. That's not a small thing. Now here's how to turn it into a proper snack. Melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate. Stir in a small handful of roasted almonds. The almonds bring amino acids, the raw materials your body uses to build collagen. Then add a small spoonful of dried goji berries for a little sweetness and a boost of vitamin C. Drop small spoonfuls onto a plate and pop it in the fridge until firm. What you end up with is a rich, chewy little bite that actually works while you enjoy it. Fighting inflammation, supporting your joints, feeding your nerves. And the best part? You're not white-knuckling through some tasteless health food. Now this one surprises people every single time. Gelatin. Plain simple gelatin, not the sugary boxed kind, is basically collagen that's already been broken down into a form your body can absorb almost immediately. It's full of amino acids like glycine and proline. These are the exact building blocks your body uses to repair cartilage, cushion joints, and protect nerve tissue. There was actually a study that found people who took gelatin regularly had 37% less joint pain over time. 37%. That's not nothing. That's the difference between dreading your morning walk and actually enjoying it. Here's the snack. Warm up 1 cup of unsweetened cherry or pomegranate juice. Don't boil it, just warm it. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until it fully dissolves. Add some fresh berries for vitamin C and a few chopped nuts for healthy fats. Pour it into small molds or a dish and refrigerate until firm. You end up with a soft, easy to chew treat that's incredibly gentle on your stomach and incredibly powerful for your joints. If your knees ache, your hips feel stiff, or you've got that slow creeping weakness in your legs, this one is worth making this week. This next one has been around for thousands of years, and there's a reason it never went away. Chicken bone broth. When you simmer chicken bones low and slow for several hours, something remarkable happens. The collagen inside those bones breaks down and dissolves into the liquid, along with glycine, proline, and minerals that your body uses to repair connective tissue and calm inflamed nerves. This isn't just grandma's remedy, there's real science behind it. And making it yourself is easier than you think. Save leftover chicken bones from a roast. Toss them in a pot with water, a splash of apple cider vinegar. This helps pull the minerals out of the bones, and some chopped onion, celery, and carrot. Let it simmer for about 8 hours on low. Strain it, pour it into jars. As it cools, it'll turn into a gentle gel. That's how you know it's loaded with collagen. Each day, warm up half a cup. Squeeze in a little lemon, add some fresh parsley, and sip it slowly. Even that small daily amount can make a real difference. Joints that move more smoothly, less of that creaking, grinding sensation. And for those of you dealing with pins and needles in your hands, bone broth gives your nerves the nutrients they need to start repairing the protective tissue around them. Here's something most people don't know. Your body cannot make collagen without vitamin C. Not a little collagen, not any collagen. Vitamin C is a required ingredient. If you're not getting enough, your body's collagen production slows down or stops entirely. And the symptoms? Stiff joints, weak muscles, tingling in the extremities. Sound familiar? That's where Cantaloupe comes in. One single cup of Cantaloupe gives you nearly 2/3 of your entire daily vitamin C requirement. And it's sweet, soft, easy to chew, and gentle on digestion. Here's the snack. Cut cantaloupe into bite-sized cubes. Squeeze a little fresh lime juice over it. That adds even more vitamin C and a bright, refreshing flavor. Toss in a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling effect. Then sprinkle with a small handful of chopped pistachios. The pistachios add healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help calm inflammation and keep your joints moving smoothly. This whole bowl takes about 3 minutes to make, and it's genuinely delicious. Hydrating, bright, and satisfying in a way that feels almost too easy. Let's talk about something sitting in almost everyone's kitchen right now: the tomato. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which you now know is essential for making collagen. But they also contain something called lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that actually protects the collagen you already have from breaking down further. Think of it this way. Vitamin C builds new collagen. Lycopene guards what's already there. Together, that's a real 1-2 punch for your joints and nerves. And here's an interesting detail. When tomatoes are slightly warmed or paired with healthy fat, your body absorbs even more lycopene. That's why this next snack is so effective. Slice a ripe tomato. Layer it with fresh mozzarella. Or if you prefer dairy-free, ripe avocado works beautifully. Drizzle good olive oil over the top. Add a few fresh basil leaves. Let it sit for 5 minutes before you eat it. That's enough time for the flavors to blend, and for that olive oil to start working with the lycopene. What you've got is something that looks like it came from a cafe, but inside your body, it's doing genuine repair work. Calming inflammation, rebuilding tissue. Now, I want to talk about a fruit that doesn't get nearly enough credit: guava. Most people walk right past it at the store. But here's the thing. Just 100 grams of guava gives you over 200 milligrams of vitamin C. That is several times more than an orange. In fact, guava is one of the single highest sources of vitamin C on the planet. For anyone dealing with weak legs, tingling hands, or achy joints, that vitamin C content matters enormously. And when you pair guava with Greek yogurt, something great happens. The yogurt brings protein and amino acids. The guava brings the vitamin C. Together, your body has everything it needs to produce collagen and start rebuilding. Here's how to make it. Chop fresh ripe guava and stir it into plain Greek yogurt. Add a small drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Squeeze in a little lime juice for extra vitamin C. Top with chopped almonds or walnuts for healthy fats and minerals. It tastes fresh and satisfying. It's easy on digestion, and it's doing real work underneath the surface, fighting inflammation, supporting tissue repair, and feeding your nerves the nutrients they've been missing. This one is so simple it almost feels too easy. 2 or 3 kiwis a day, that's it. Kiwi is absolutely loaded with vitamin C, even more per gram than most citrus fruits. And by now you know what vitamin C does for collagen production and for your nerves. But kiwi does something else that makes it special for seniors specifically. It supports healthy circulation. Better circulation means your hands and feet get more oxygen and more nutrients, which can directly reduce that tingling, numb feeling that wakes you up at night. Here's the snack. Slice fresh kiwi. Sprinkle toasted almonds or walnuts on top for crunch and healthy fats. If you want a little extra kick, a pinch of chili flakes and a dash of sea salt does something magical to the flavor. It takes 2 minutes to make, and it supports digestion, boosts your immune system, and helps your nerves function more smoothly, all at the same time. Make this one a daily habit, not once in a while. Daily, because the benefits build up over time, and consistency is what actually moves the needle when it comes to how you feel. And we're finishing strong with a snack that has something none of the others have. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is a natural anti-inflammatory, and not just in a mild, gentle way. Studies have shown it can reduce inflammation in joints and soft tissue in ways that rival some over-the-counter pain medications without the side effects. For anyone dealing with stiff knees, sore hips, or that deep aching feeling in your legs after a long day, bromelain is something your body will genuinely thank you for. Plus, pineapple has a solid amount of vitamin C on top of that. So you're fighting inflammation and supporting new collagen production at the same time. Here's the snack. Cut fresh pineapple into chunks. Mix in a handful of macadamia nuts or cashews. Both bring healthy fats and protein for tissue rebuilding. Sprinkle on a little cinnamon, which helps balance blood sugar and calm inflammation further. Add a few fresh mint leaves to settle your digestion. This is a snack that genuinely tastes like a treat, but it's working hard the whole time. So let me bring it all together for you. 8 snacks: dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit bites, bone broth cups, cantaloupe mint bowls, tomato caprese stacks, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch, and pineapple nut bites. Every single one of these is giving your body something it desperately needs after 60. The raw materials to produce collagen, the antioxidants to protect what you already have, and the anti-inflammatory nutrients to calm the pain and stiffness that's been slowing you down. You don't have to try all 8 tomorrow. Just pick one. Make it this week. Be consistent. Because here's what I want you to remember. Your body has a remarkable ability to repair itself, even now, even at your age, but it needs the right fuel to do it. And that fuel is closer than you think. If this video helped you, please hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps more people like you find this information when they need it most. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss what's coming next, because we're just getting started. And drop a comment below. Tell me, which of these 8 snacks are you going to try first? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.